guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to this hair installation. Okay, let's get into it. This black with little blonde highlights, it's popping on her melanin skin. Talk truth. Okay, so if you want to see how it is that I slid this lace, it's a revamping of an old wig. Then stay tuned to the next clip. Bye loves. Mwah. Alright guys, so this is how I got the wig to revamp. As you can see, I did some highlights in it when I first installed it, but this wig has been thrown down and a mess. As you can see, there's glue. Let me just turn this down so you can see it properly. There is glue on the wig itself. This specific type of glue is really hard to remove, but I'm gonna show you how to do it. I've taken off most of it. So let's say you have a spot right here that has glue. All you have to do is to rub your finger in the opposite direction that the glue is lying, and it will start to peel off like this. Can you see it on? So it will start to peel off. You just have to take your time. Can you see those little? Yeah, you just have to take your time and don't rip the lace. But doing this repeatedly, it will take off majority of that glue for you before it is that you even wash it or anything like that. So we're gonna wash this wig. We're gonna wash it using the Cantu. Can you guys see this? The Cantu shea butter shampoo and hydrating conditioner. And when we wash it, we'll be right back for the plucking plucking. Alright, so here we are with the wig washed and deep conditioned. I didn't mention that I deep conditioned it, but I did. And I let it soak for about 1 hour. To be honest, I forgot about it. So now we're just going to get straight into plucking. Alright, so what you're seeing me doing is I'm going to part off the front section of the hair, the extreme front, so that I don't overpluck or have any bald spots towards the front of the hair. This is like a little, prevention step. So once it is that I brushed it back, I'm going to use my tweezers to go ahead and pluck. The plucking technique that I'm using is, I would say it's a skip technique, where you're not necessarily plucking in a straight line coming down. You're missing some spots so that it mimics a natural hairline. So I'm just going to continue doing that until it is that I desire or I see where I like how it looks. I feel like plucking is a visual thing, so you can use your judgment to know if it is that you need to pluck this area some more or not. And also use your judgment not to give the wig a bald spot. Okay, sis? Alright, so we're just going to keep on parting sections going backwards and plucking those sections until it is that we have a natural hairline. You can part about 3 sections, that should be good or standard, and pluck, and using the same technique I used on the first section, and it should come out really nice. So you guys can just watch me do my thing and I'll be back.
Yeah.
All right, so I am back, guys, and as you can see, we are enjoying ourselves, listening to the music and jamming out. Look on this new lighting setup, guys. I have new lights. The setup is not complete, but your girl is getting there. Okay, we're using a stocking cap just to hold back her natural hair. We're gonna be using the Got To Be holding spray just to use that as an extra method to push back the baby hairs. And you know, we have some little small fuzzy hairs on our hairline, just to hold back all of that, because we don't want the glue to be touching her natural hair and pulling on anything. Okay, this is what the wig looks like on the canvas head. This is after I allowed it to air dry overnight, and I'm loving it. We're just fixing the wig on our head, positioning it how it is that we'd like it, just to see where it is that we should apply the glue and mark it out. What I like to do, guys, I know I'm not the first person doing this, but this is what I like to do. I like to use a white pencil just to outline the lace, where the lace starts and stops, so that we do not go over that line or that border with glue, because I'm telling you, once you do that, it's a mess. I'm using a Milani face powder powder foundation, guys. I haven't filmed a video in so long or done a voiceover. I'm here talking gibberish. Okay. Okay, I missed this so much. I really low-key missed it, but you know, I had to get myself together. You know, I had a light, some lights, and it broke, so we had to take a necessary break. Right, I'm applying the glue around. You see how effective and important that white pencil is, because without that white pencil, you'll just be eyeballing it. Over time, I do eyeball it sometimes, because over time you get used to it, but this really helps so that you don't have to do an added step of cleaning up glue off the hairline, which is really tedious and annoying, because that glue is not easy to remove. Alcohol cannot remove it just like that, right? So I'm using the same powder foundation on the lace so that we can have the lace looking like scalp. Okay, scalpiana. Oh my god, yes, guys, I have missed this so much. I really have, and I'm glad I'm back. I'm glad I've given myself the break to get myself together, and we shall, in Jesus' name, okay, we shall be pumping out videos now. Yes, so here I'm positioning the hair on the lace, on the glue, and it fits perfect because of the technique that we use with the white pencil. So guys, I'm just going to stop talking and allow you guys to watch what I'm doing. It's pretty easy to follow, and the video is very detailed, so you should be able to follow this video and achieve a flawless install just the same. So you will hear my voice in the next video. Bye, loves. Continue watching, and I hope you enjoy it.
Hey guys, welcome to the end of the video. I hope you like this transformation. It's very gorgeous. Am I right? So I just wanted to like, share and subscribe. Toodles.